To keep this short, I have already wrapped both of the scarves around even Steven, folded to fit the shaper better. The scarf of the month and the in unison scarf, I'm going to be utilizing both of them, and the headband. I've already put that in place so that it looks really good when I wrap up. I'm going to be bringing both of the tails up at the same time. I think that's going to look rather beautiful. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can wrap them up separately and it'll give a similar look. Okay, so all right, I am going to take this side, got two separated. I find that if I wrap it like that, if I separate them and then put them back together, it wraps nicer. All right. And then when I get to the top, I'm going to be tying a knot. Now I'm not tying the knot up front like this. I'm going to be taking it around the back where the poof is. Okay. I'm going to tie a knot here. I'm going to be trying my best to show both of the scarves and have both of the tails about the same. But of course, because the in unison scarf is a bit bigger, it's just going to show differently. I'm going to bring this forward just for a second and make sure these are crisscrossed. And we are going to tie the top ends. I think that'll be pretty. Okay. And then I'm going to move these guys around. Tuck and give this a good tuck. Right, and then we're going to take these and twist them just a bit and bring around to the back and tuck. Okay, and then we're going to do the same with our friend here, but we're going to I think we might flip it backwards. It's a good thing I already had the scarves on my head when I started this, because I'm so indecisive when it comes to the placement and the knot styles. All right, now we're going to tuck in, and I think this is lovely. I wanted to see both scarves. I've been playing with this, trying to figure out which scarves go in which direction and which knots, but I think this one is really pretty. All right, almost done, almost done. All right, and I think that is it. I think this is the style. This is the bonus style. I like it. I like the style. All right, there we go. It's fussed with. You could fuss with this to get the placement right with, as far as your, excuse me, in unison scarf, but I think I dig this one just this way. I think it's beautiful. All right, I am going to turn around and then sign off and wish you all a wonderful month. And I will see you in the next video. Bye now.